Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by eliminating environmental blockers. Close every Visual Studio window and kill stray debugger processes. This prevents port and symbol conflicts. Once done, build the solution. Clean, then rebuild, because a fresh binary removes stale PDB mismatches. Make sure you run Visual Studio as administrator and set the correct startup project and configuration. This avoids attaching to the wrong output. These steps get you to a predictable starting point for deeper troubleshooting. You now inspect the debugger settings and symbols to resolve why breakpoints fail. Open project properties. Set debugger type appropriate to your runtime, enable generate debug info, and just my code so symbols align. Once done, run with the modules window visible to verify PDB's load and that loaded module paths match your build output. If symbols don't load, disable extensions and temporarily pause antivirus because they can lock files or interfere with the attach process. You finish by attaching and resetting hosting components. If start debugging fails, open debug, attach to process, and pick the correct process. That bypasses startup hooks. Before attaching, restart the hosting service, IIS, a Docker container, or Windows service, because stale processes often block the debugger. If issues persist, delete bin and obj folders, clear the symbol cache, then restart Visual Studio to force fresh loads. If nothing works, one key tip: check the event viewer for access or loader errors that explain the failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.